Alright guys, we are back and we're doing something doohickey thingamabob with you put the hose in the pop bottle, it, like all the pressure builds up and it just shoots out. So we're actually gonna do something and that's what we're gonna do. So
without further ado,
I'm with my friend right here and I forgot to do my intro, so I'm just gonna do it right now. What is up guys, Diamond Mansion here, and today, like I explained, we're gonna do something stupid that involves us getting wet, and I don't know why I have a hat on. It's just 'tis the season, I guess. All right, so
this is tis the season.
yeah, that's 'tis the season. All right, so I don't know where we're gonna put this. Oh, maybe I do.
No, buddy, no.
There. All right. We are gonna. Oh Jesus. There's something under that. All right.
Oh.
I told you there was.
All
Alright. So, yeah, let's do that. And we will,
we will go
throw all the stuff out. And, yep. Alright, there we go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we want this to shoot up, but it might not happen, but we'll find out. It probably won't. I don't think it's gonna happen, but
all right,
let's test it out.
Okay, Mythbuster.
3, 2, oh god! Whoa! It's burning up! Yeah. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my! Dude, that thing shot like 20 feet in the air! No joke, it actually shot really far. Alright, what are we gonna do? We are gonna do that again because that was awesome. Alright,
No joke.
alright. I'm gonna do it. You try to find a bottle wherever it is because it just shot right up. Alright, so that was like the best. Like,
I found the bottle.
okay, so do your doohickey again, and
Yeah, for the record, it's actually my idea this time.
yeah, it was his idea, not mine. It was all mine. I'm just kidding. It wasn't mine at all. All right, so, all right. Oh my God, that was super. I can't believe that actually worked. I didn't think that would work.
I kind of expected that it would, like, kind of, sort of, maybe, but oh no. How are we gonna have this angled right so it doesn't either hit your car, hit a window, or go into his yard?
I don't care if it goes into his yard. No one likes him. All right, so. All right, so why do I keep saying? Oh, all right, so. All right, so this would be. Oh my God, I did it again. This would be an awesome thing to do at home. Like, no joke. I'm actually doing it at home right now, but this is so it's actually really cool. Like,
It's mentally insane.
yeah, it is. Like, especially when you do it like this. I don't know. Did you do that? Did you do it?
I don't know how I did it before, but and it was literally angled straight up.
Yeah, you did your doohickey thing. Oh my God.
No, I just had it.
Is that going well?
Okay, well, whatever. Let's go, Mario.
Here, you turn on the hose this time. I'll
Fire in the hole. Oh shoot! It's probably gonna hit the backboard. But
Here, hang on, don't turn it on yet. All right, there we go.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, let's go!
Whoa! Oh, did you? I totally would hope that I got that on camera. That was sick. All right, so what are you gonna need for this is obviously a mattress or something like that, and a 2-liter bottle, a hose with this thing cut off, and yeah.
Maybe a waste of money, but it's definitely worth it for your entertainment.
Ooh, yeah. All right, there we go.
It's still freezing.
We are going to do that again, but we're going to try to do...
I'm probably trying to make it in there, in the basketball.
yeah, all right.
Oh yeah, that is impossible.
No, not really. All right, let's set it back up. But this time I will put this.
You're taking turns, gentlemen. Wait, you set it up. Andrew.
I don't know how you set it up though.
No, just put this so it stabilizes it. Oh, I don't know how you can shoot straight back up again. Wait, hold this. Never mind. Okay. So put this like right there. Have this lean on it. Like have this lean on it to like a little bit like right here and
No. Let's do it the other way because you know why?
how about we just agree that it works?
Okay. So.
Andrew.
That might shoot up at that's car. No. Hold on. Alright, so I just grab this. Well, watch him do his.
Papa Thomas always has an idea.
You're not Papa Thomas. No one calls you that. Who called you that?
Me?
You got a point, but.
Daddy Thomas?
Alright, so.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Oh god, that's gonna. Dude, that was gonna shoot in this yard.
Move this. Hose. Sorry we're taking too much time, guys. It's just a little technical difficulty.
I think I might be able to edit this video. Nah, I don't think so.
I'm too lazy.
Actually, I might be able to. Might be. Alright, so.
Maybe.
Did you just hear that car like me? Alright, so.
Perfect timing.
Alright. You done yet? It takes so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. It goes like this, dude. It goes down. Boosh.
Okay.
That's good enough. All right, so show that.
Oh. Dude, I just had it. There it is. There it is.
I got it. Oh no! Found it.
Oh my god. What do you think? I thought that was gonna go to your car. Like go to the car.
What?
I thought that was gonna go to the car.
It landed on the roof. I kept switching it back like.
Dun.
All right. All right. Do this one more time and then we'll just end the video.
Andrew. Should we try to do it out there? Like where there's more space and less.
Yeah, sure. All right.
Oh shoot! Dude, the water's still on.
Oh crap! I'll turn it off. Oh crap! Oh jeez, it's like a flood right here. Oh crap!
Well, that explains it.
Yep, that does.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm smart.
You wish. I'm just kidding. All right. Well,
Okay, wait. You know what? Actually,
Puddle?
Screw it. Andrew, screw it.
screw what?
We're sticking it right here. We're staying. We have climbed this.
Okay, we're staying. Yep. One more time. Maybe about. But
Hey, and then when Sebastian comes over and he wants to do it
yeah, I know.
immediately.
Here.
Oh, it's about time. What?
You record it.
I know. I ain't stupid. What's up, guys?
I don't know how your genius works.
Okay, no, wait, no, wait.
Wait a minute, dude. That might be so.
Oh no, that does not look like a good idea. Or that looks like a plan for disaster. Wait, there's too much tube in it. Andrew, there's too much tube in it. There we go.
It's gonna hit the.
Make a happy face. How many minutes is it? All right, just closing in on the 10-minute mark now.
It's gonna take like 15 minutes to.
Do you want me to just do what I do?
Yeah, do what you do.
Okay.
Make a happy face.
I haven't even got in.
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh no.
Football time!
Okay, I have one. Oh god. Andrew, slight issues have been.
Have occurred.
Yes. Crap. The hose is like tightening up.
Ow.
Eh.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is like.
It's not like tightening up, but it's like clogging like
Steven. I don't know why I knew that. Dude, I'm so bummed. It is time for the baseball. Wow. There we go. Get all of the fucking ball.
Alright, well,
Chusanga.
Andrew.
What?
It's gonna shoot into his yard.
Yeah, let's change that a bit. So.
Okay, and Andrew, if or when it does, I swear to God, if it makes a huge noise in the car outside.
If it does, I'll just end the video. Alright, come on. Alright. Jeez. Here, dude. Hold it from here. Hold it from here. Like, hold it like that. No, like that. And then.
Hold on. I just.
Ready? I'm gonna do it. That ain't good. Turn it off.
Was lit.
Alright.
Was lit, man.
Alright, so I don't think they're going outside, but if you like this video, like it. If you want to subscribe to it, well, if you want to subscribe to my channel, well, alright, do subscribe to my channel, Diamond Mansion, and if you like it,
Optional.
optional. Please don't dislike it, that will hurt my feelings, but, alright, so, we are going to end it, so,
Bye-bye.